inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Ooh, the way that things have been. Ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my seal. Ooh, the master of my seal. Ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my sucking to the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took at me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the brain, take up my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the above. All the hate that you heard is turn your spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh, ooh. I was choking in the crowd, living my brain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground. Hope my feelings they would drown, but they never did. Ever live, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke open and rained down. It rained down like. By the grace of the fire and the flames, you're the face of the future, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh, the blood in my veins. Oh.